How to share your group link on Signal to other application. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to share your group link to other applications on your phone. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal, click on it, click on your group, and now click on your profile up there, and all you need to do is click on a group link. Now click on share, and you have click on the last option, which is share, and you choose Facebook or Snapchat, Instagram, Pinterest, WhatsApp, Drive, whatever you want, Gmail, whatever you choose. And this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.